Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the left, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to right corner button. When we tap to it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with settings at the last position, so let's open them. And here at the second place we have volume button action. When we tap on it, we can decide to use this as volume, shutter, which is no, or zoom. So let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume keys once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.